do you want to make next? Oscar's mushroom and pineapple pizza. Yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need pizza dough, tomato sauce, cheese, pineapple, and mushrooms. Oh no, looks like we're missing mushroom. Come on, we gotta go get some more to the mushroom farm.
We on our way to the mushroom farm.
Whoa, Cookie Monster! Pay attention to the road. We're going to the mushroom farm. We're here at the mushroom farm.
Collect the mushrooms. Go ahead. Click to you a good collector. More mushrooms.
Let's get cooking!
To make mushroom and pineapple pizza, first roll out dough.
Roll, roll, roll your dough. Now spread the tip.
Oh, yeah. Now sprinkle.
Make sure to get it all over. Then chop the pineapple.
Cowabunga! Next, chop mushrooms. Cowabunga!
Then I'll put it into the oven to bake. Gongs away! Go ahead! Click to gong the gong. It's ready!
Now it's time to send to Oscar. Order up.
Oscar, it's pizza time!
What do you want to make next? Go ahead. Click on the food you Abby's apple pie. Yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need flour, water, butter, salt, apples, sugar, and cinnamon. Oh no! Looks like we're missing cinnamon. Come on! We gotta go get some more to the forest! We're going to the forest!
We on our way to the forest.
We're here at the forest!
Cinnamon comes from tree bark. Click the trees to collect the cinnamon. More cinnamon.
Yay, you got Now, let's make some food.
To make apple pie, first put flour in bowl. Yep.
Now, add water.
Then add some butter.
And a little bit of salt. Then we mix to make the...
That good mixing. Next, roll. This is starting to look like cookie.
Now,
Cowabunga. Then add sugar.
and cinnamon. Next, I'll put the dough on top and then bake. Gongs away! It's ready!
Now it's time to send to Abby.
Launch the catapult! Abby, you got some apple pie coming! What shall we make now?
Big Bird's cornbread. Sound tasty.
For this recipe, we'll need flour, corn, eggs, sugar, salt, baking powder, milk, and oil.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing corn.
Come on, we gotta go get some more to the farm. We're going to get corn.
We on our way to the farm.
We're here at the farm.
Collect the corn. Go ahead. Click to collect the corn. More corn. You a good collector.
Now, let's make some food.
To make cornbread, first put flour in bowl. Yep.
Now, we shuck the corn.
Then put corn in bowl.
Next, add
Yep. Then add sugar.
and a little bit of salt.
Yep. Next, add some baking powder.
Now, add some milk.
Yep. Then add some oil. Mix it all together. That good mixing.
Then I put it into the oven to bake. Gong time! Go ahead! Click to gong the gong. It's ready!
Now it's time to send to Big Bird.
Launch the catapult!
Here comes some cornbread, Big Bird.